G'day and welcome to the car. I'm just on the way to work and I thought I'd do a quick intro to my next video. It's a bit different. I was lucky enough to fly to Italy and go to the Italian MotoGP at Mugello. And I love me MotoGP and me bike racing. I've been to Phillip Island, I've been to Silverstone. Lucky enough to go to the Isle of Man, and we teed this up where one of our sons is living in London and he met us in Rome. We did a bit of sightseeing and then we caught the high-speed train up to Florence, and that's the closest city to Mugello. So we'll go through some video and pictures of what is an incredible atmosphere. 180,000 people across the weekend. Most unbelievable sporting thing I've been to. We really loved it. Florence is a beautiful city. Rome and its history is amazing. I'll throw in some photos here and there. But in effect, this video is about my experience of going to MotoGP in Italy with those crazy fans. Best thing I've done yet sporting wise. At the end I'll do a quick chat, just some little hints and tips about my experiences there and how we got around and do's and don'ts. So hope you enjoy the video. It's not going to be that long, it's just going to be some mobile phone footage and clips. It's pretty amazing time. Hope you enjoy it. Ben, where are we?
Mugello.
Yeah.
Oh, Italy.
Yeah, Italy. Mugello race circuit. We'll just pan around there if you can see that. So yeah, the holiday.
It's begun.
It's begun. We're in Italy. We've done Rome, looked around Florence, and now we're at Mugello. Caught the train to, where did we catch the train to?
Borgo San Lorenzo. It's like a town close-ish. There's meant to be shuttle buses tomorrow and Sunday, but today we had no idea what we were going to do.
Yeah, today's Friday, first day of racing, and how did we get here?
It's a taxi, a wild fucking taxi. I reckon it's a mob bus or something.
Bloke falls up in a black van with an A4 piece of paper on the dash saying taxi, and he's taken €10 each off passengers, and man, that was a wild ride. Burst through roadworks, argued with the flag guys. Yeah, big argument with the where we going?
I think maybe there. That looks like
cut through here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, halfway here. Sorry.
You're right. Yeah. So he has a big argument with the road workers. Stop go, man. Basically says, fuck you, I'm going, drives through.
And this is after like overtaking a bunch of blokes on double lines.
Double lines, straight at a motorbike rider. He was like, make your own arrangements. But we're here, we got here, and we're not dead yet.
Not yet. We can see the track.
But yeah, we'll spin around.
So yeah.
GoPro's not real good at it. But yeah. We're here. We'll update you later.
Right, Ben. Ben, day 2 at MotoGP. A bit of a chainsaw going on. Yeah, hot weather. Run over the goalies, I think. Yeah. Look at the spot. Great spot. How good a chainsaw. Better than those fucking... What is it? Engine on a stand. Yep, engine's on a stand. Limit of Basham, for minutes on end.
Temore è tutto negativo, Governo diciamo chi è chi, però insomma sì, siamo in 3, eccola qua. Quando è stata introdotta, che l'importanza della sprint all'inizio l'avevano presa un po' troppo, come dire, troppo peso, ma avanti dalla classifica. Soprattutto per vecchi posteriore, quindi c'è scritto media, Paolo, ti voglio bene, ma c'è scritto media.
Rischia il sorpasso anche di Diogo Morera che porta la Honda in terza posizione.
Morera terzo in siamo pronti per questi bellissimo, grazie a nome naturalmente di tutto il circuito. Meraviglioso, queste sono immagini davvero incredibili.
Can they stop Ducati's recent domination? Pecco Bagnaia finds himself back in P1 in Park Ferme. Look off into the task for the Bologna factory to continue that golden run. And in front of a record crowd in beautiful conditions, grazie Mugello, grazie Italia. Once again, we have a record crowd here at the home of the Italian Grand Prix since 1994. What a moment it is for Mugello.
Fernandez è già l'ultimo.
Mugello 2026 conquered. What a ride. That was the most amazing motorsport event I've ever been to. The atmosphere, insane. I don't think anything we ever go to is gonna be up to scratch anymore.
No. We don't know crowd figures, but I've never been to a motorsport event with that many people ever, not even close.
Yeah.
So you've been to a couple.
Yeah, I've been to a couple MotoGPs now, and that one puts all of them to shame in terms of atmosphere and stuff.
Okay, so Aragon,
Yeah.
nowhere near as packed.
No.
No, not such a good atmosphere.
It's like harder to get to, harder to see as much of the track. It's not in as beautiful of a place. It's like everything, all the boxes get ticked by Mugello.
So with the amount of people walking out now, it's there's no way you're getting a taxi or a shuttle bus, so we're just going to walk back to the station.
It's like bumper to bumper traffic for ages.
We're actually walking faster than the cars when we were back on the main road. Beautiful Tuscan countryside. It's quite pleasant. Warm day, but there's a bit of breeze. And
we'd prepared ourselves to do this walk 6 times, but we're only having to do it once.
Once.
So it's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we've done well. Local plane flying over. A fantastic event. Italian motorsport fans are so passionate, they love it. There is a great atmosphere.
And
Madness. Italian won on an Italian bike, so you can imagine that. Alright, we'll press on. We've got about 3 k's to go, I reckon, 3.5.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. Mugello 2026. As you can see by that footage, it's a great atmosphere. It's a beautiful setting for a Grand Prix circuit, but the footage doesn't really do it justice. The atmosphere, like, we filmed a bit of stuff, but we were there to watch bike racing and the best riders in the world, so I was just trying to capture a little bit of atmosphere to show the family. And yeah, just out walking the dog. Come on, mister. And yeah, what a great place. Just want to go through a couple of little things we learned. So the closest major city to Mugello is Florence, and Florence is beautiful, beautiful city. Probably my favourite city in the world now that I've visited. So we flew into Rome, we did a few days around there, and then you catch the high-speed train up to Florence, and on race day we went to Florence train station, Santa Maria Novella. It's a busy station, and caught the train up to Borgo San Lorenzo. Now Borgo San Lorenzo is this little village close to the track, 5 k's from the track, and it's a 50-minute train, no dramas. On the Sunday though, make sure you catch the early. We caught the early train Friday and Saturday between 7 and 7:30. On the Sunday we didn't, we waited a bit later because on-track action starts later. Don't do that, we only just got there. Keep catching that early train. At Borgo San Lorenzo you can catch a shuttle bus, but it doesn't take you all the way to the track. Only gets you about halfway, and you've still got about a 2.5 k walk, because there's no drop-off zone right out front of the track. They just don't have an area, it's not set up for that. But private taxis pull up, and I don't know if they're sanctioned or not. Pretty dodgy, and they drive like lunatics, but they're €10 each, and you just pile in. There's 10 of us in one van, which holds 6 people, and they drop you at the door, and you're there, and it's so easy, and a laugh. It's a laugh. So my advice, do that. But on the Sunday morning we found there were no taxis at the train station, there were police there, and we're guessing the police are there to stop dodgy taxi operators cashing in. But we resigned ourselves to walk to the track. So we walk down the street like 300 metres and there's taxis, and we jump in one. Lunatic, takes us to the track. On the way home though, after race day, there's so many people, nothing can get near the joint. Like with the amount of motorbikes, cars, people, foot traffic coming out, nothing can get near the place. So we walked, and it's a beautiful walk through the Tuscan hillside. So there's our tips. Stay in Florence, catch a train to Borgo San Lorenzo, and yeah, look for those mad taxi drivers and have cash. €10, it's about 18 bucks Aussie. Don't care, you're on holidays. It's 5k, saves you walking, and they drop you literally at the gate. So yeah, it was very good. Alright, well, that's a wrap. The idea of that video was just show some of the atmosphere, and at the end here give a couple of tips, because we just winged it and it worked out fantastic. It was a great trip. Had a great time with Ben. It was good to catch up with him. He's been living in London. And yeah, now back home, back to the bump and grind, working, walking the dog. Save some money, go back again, I reckon. It's great. Alright, out.